action. We back in the action, boys. So I really wanted to start off this video just talking about how my week's been. I haven't gone a week off YouTube in 10 years. And honestly, it was hell on earth. But there was a lot of good sides to it, man. I got to go to Tim Hortons, grab a cup of coffee multiple times, man, and then inevitably lose multiple times over and over and over again. It really crushes a man. But hey, it was an experience, man. I got to really ponder the thought of, bruh, am I really a man? What is a man? So I spent countless nights on the internet, searching up websites, really studying the anatomy of what man is. And it came back conclusive. I am a man, which is sick. Another thing that was awesome, man, is I really began to ponder the prospect of Bigfoot being real. So I went hunting for him. And let me tell you, I found that dude who pooping in the woods was sick. However, most importantly, man, I began to think about this channel hopefully coming back, and if it didn't come back, how I wanted to build with you guys going further. Now, it's really been something that I've been wanting to do for a while, just getting closer with you guys, whether it be daily vlogs or really just get you guys to know who I am, no shtick, da-da-da-da-da, whatever that means. Am I dancing while I say that? Da-da-da-da-da. No, it's just a machine gun going off. Anyway, I found out when doing that, when opening myself up to you guys, which I've been doing quite well recently, you guys let me know down below if it's going well, is just doing it slowly, working my way into you guys, getting you guys to see my life for how it really is. That alcoholic, low life, that NameBran really is, I guess. Just kidding, we're working on the alcohol. So beginner steps. I started to kind of think about old videos and what we were doing that was really showing my personality and what you guys really dug. And I came up with one conclusion, bro. You guys seem to love the videos where I just go shopping online. I never understood why. Until I really had this thing in my head that made me think about it, which is I think called a mind or something, or a brain, I don't know. One of those stupid things that you don't need. And it made sense. It's literally a time where we almost sit down for like 10-15 minutes uncut and just chill. We just talk and like shoot the crap like I do with any of my friends. So that was dope. That's what we're gonna do today, and let me tell you what we found, because I actually recorded this footage on my break, so like, I don't know, because I had nothing to do, dude. Like, I was sleeping all day, I was depressed, I bought a shotgun at one point. No, I'm just kidding. Bad jokes aside though, man. Let's go, let's look back on this footage of me in probably the darkest times of my life, besides my dad's passing. Love you, dude. I know it was you that got my channel back, hopefully. Hopefully he's got power like that. That would be sick. Yeah, so anyway, I'm getting really sidetracked. Let's go back, let's look at that footage of me shopping online on a website called Wish and seeing what I bought, bro. You guys are gonna be astonished with what we found. NameBran fam, back in action. We back in the action, talking to I don't know who right now. My channel shut down. I'm talking to a camera without placing this anywhere. Is that okay? Is that an okay thing to do? Should I be worried about that or what? Anyway, we're doing what we gotta do to get through this time. However, I'm going on Wish right now with no boundaries. I wanna see what I can get on here for really, really cheap. Hopefully I can upload this somewhere. Leave lots of thumbs up down below, because your boy's sad right now, man. I don't have my NameBran fam to talk to. We marking the game the greatest of all time. I've had about 13 cups of coffee today. Anyway, if you guys don't know what Wish is, they have a bunch of really cheap items. I don't promote fake things. They do sell fake things on there. If I were to buy anything that was ever fake, it's for props for videos, yeah. And I'm just trying to see, like, I'm trying to dig deep into Wish right now and find the coolest stuff we can find. So y'all join me, and then maybe we'll unbox it at the end of the video, or whatever future NameBran wants to do when he uploads this. Wow, alright, we on Wish. I haven't shopped this in a little while. I haven't shopped for any videos lately, because it just makes me sad being like, bruh, I'm not shopping for a reason right now. This is dope! Oh! I always explore the homepage first, and that is a flippin' win, bro. It's a Marlboro Smoking Kills on the back, too. That's kind of hype. If y'all don't know, those are cigarettes. Oh, it says filtered cigarettes. Oh, I'm gonna add that to my cart. We just gonna buy that right now. The good thing about Wish is we do a lot of impulsive shopping, which is very sick. So we're gonna buy that. Because it's really cheap, bro. It's like $17 Canadian. I'm looking right now. I hope my search feed isn't popping up, because anytime it does, I always flipping show something inappropriate I've been searching up lately. Buy! Ah, screw it. Okay, I'll just remember that. I'll go over this footage after and see what I need to purchase. That's sick. What else we got here, boys? I really wanted to find like some Supreme or something. Like if they have any new Supreme from new drops or anything like that that we can use for future videos if I ever get my life back, that would be really, really sick. Like if they have anything from like 2018 drop, I mean, they should. Honestly, means they're ahead of the game. This is all super dope. Man, this is so sick too. Wish is hype, man. Wish is really, really hype. Let me know if you guys ever shop this site, and if you do, if you find something. Also, if you guys see anything on the screen, let me know what we should buy so we can do like a little like legit comparison or something. Because there's something like this Nas tee, I can tell you what's up on it. And it's only $24 as opposed to $300. We got the Supreme money gun. Oh, I have one, but I want like 5 of them to like hang up on my wall, like scattered in different places for no reason whatsoever. Off-white. I don't know why I want this black dude looking all gangster on my shirt. Who's gonna wear that? Who's gonna, oh, is that from a TV show? I don't know. Got a bunch of gun chains. They're so hyped nowadays for people. Ah! Super gun! It's a playoff with Supreme Gun. That's hilarious. I don't know why you put Super Gun. It's kind of stupid because it just doesn't look good. It's not that super like, oh, bruh. Oh, it's got better battery cartridges than the actual Supreme Gun, though. What else we got? Clan. Oh, you know, okay. One thing I want to talk to you guys about is I've been really into Fortnite lately. And really like getting into like Xbox and stuff like that. So first off, if you want gaming on NameBran, let me know. I don't know why I'm sidetracking to Xbox stuff right now, but I want to see if like controllers or anything like that are like really cheap on here. We got a Minecraft controller, bruh. I hate that game. Those little things like you go out, you make a damn awesome building, and all of a sudden we got ghosts running around destroying shit. Who knew ghosts could even do that? Anyway, so I just get mad. Oh, bruh. Would that not be sick? Oh, that's cool. So I'm just trying to find right now, because then once again, I've been really doing Fortnite. If you guys want gameplay or something like that, I love playing games. I love doing that stuff. So I'd love to game with you guys. My Xbox tag or whatever, if you guys are watching us, I may as well share it, is NameBran YouTube. NameBranYouTube. So that's sick. Go add me or whatever. Do these work? That would be sick actually to get. I don't know why we're in electronics for a streetwear channel right now, boys, but I'm just trying to do my thing right now. I'm just chilling, trying to online shop, because honestly, my budget is squat. I got a credit card that's just about maxed out that I can't pay off, but we may as well max it out before I pay it off. You know what I mean? Like, you may as well just, you're that far in debt, Bran. You may as well just go for it. They got some dope Xbox. Bruh, do they have anything Supreme Xbox? Supreme Xbox. Would that not be so hype? Alright, Supreme Xbox. Supreme X. Bro, what do you mean? Out of all the things that make Supreme, you'd think they'd make a damn Xbox. Why don't they do that? Supreme's gotta just get like electronics, like get a thing with PS3 or something like that. Xbox or PS3, leave a comment down below. Let's go bape for a second. I've been really wanting to do pranks and bape. You guys let me know if you want that, because you gotta let me know a lot of stuff. I'm just writing a list for y'all to just comment right now. Leave a bunch of thumbs up. NameBran fam's real strong, even though we're dead right now. Dope on Instagram, though. We're putting out videos is lit. Yeah, I want to go to Bape. Still brainstorming, because they don't allow filming. So one, I'd have to get a GoPro and like one of those like mics or whatever to put around my neck and film in there. But one, I think they're stingy as it is. Two, if I just pull some bull crap in there with fake Bape and like try to, I don't know, like take it back or something, I think it could be hilarious. I've never had good shopping experiences at Bape. They all look at me. I walk in there, they're like, wow, this dude's a bum. It makes me feel bad every single time. It's kind of hyped today. Bruh, screw that. Look at Drake right here, man. I got pink Drake hoodies. Does the dude have a face tat? The dude got a face tat. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's a drawstring. All right. Back! Jesus, I hate when pop-ups come. Oh, we got the jeans right here, man. See, we could do so much with Gucci stuff. That's just a patch? Really? Oh, here's a stiff patch to put in your pants. That's an embroidery at all. Oh, let's just have a brick. Like, literally put a 2x4 on my leg. It's gonna feel the exact same way. It's just gonna be this big, long, hard thing across my pants. Sick. So she said. Hopefully she didn't say that, actually. Yeah, Lincoln, da-da-da-da-da. Which is, alright, I'm getting back to electronics. One thing I really want to do is just make my Xbox, like, really dope. You know what we could do? We could make a Supreme Xbox, actually. We could make one. I'm good at... We could make one. They have skins and stuff. Oh, yeah! Alright, so let's go red Xbox. Xbox. It's not typing! Red Xbox. I swear I'm not mad like this in person. I just hate lag and anything that gets in my way from anything. So I'm kind of like this in person. Oh, bruh. We got... You can change those? Free? What? They're free! Bruh, I'm gonna order 5,000 of them then. Blue. How do I pick how many I want? Buy. How do I pick how many I want? Whatever, we'll figure that out after. I'm gonna buy too many of those. I'm gonna have way too many thumbs around my... I'm gonna just paste them all over my wall. What else are you gonna do with free things? You keep everything you get. That's what we have a show called Hoarders for. I really want to be on that. If y'all see my room, it's lit. It's very sick. All right, we're off track right now. See if we can, you know what? Red Xbox skin or something. Maybe that'll work. Honestly, man, I really think if they have a skin that we can make something really dope with it, and we can literally make a Supreme Xbox. See, this is what I'm looking at. Something like that would be so sick. If y'all are into Dragon Ball Z, bro, it's $11 Canadian, which is like, what, $2 American to make your Xbox lit. I got an Xbox One X from Doritos when I did a little thing for them. So that's what I'm working with. You guys let me know what you have down below. And if a lot of you guys have PS3 and I really get into gaming, let me know and I might just buy PS3. Now that yeah, I don't know. I guess I don't have my YouTube yet, but yeah, see, something like this, man, that's so hype. That's so hype. You know what I'm gonna do? That looks so sick. All right, I don't know what I'm doing. So let's buy this right here, because I love that half and half thing. I could do something with that. We'll buy a red one. And then if we have white for Supreme, if they have anything white, that could be so dope. And then, oh, dude, okay, we gonna make this work. I actually want that one. The carbon fiber is lit. So if we could have that. I used to be in graphic design, if you guys don't know. I used to like wrap cars and stuff like that. And I was really good at it. So what this is like a vinyl. You can probably not put it on a car. It's probably not good vinyl. But I used to be good with the cutting, the placing, the measuring. That was like my profession before all of this. So we're gonna buy one of those red ones. If we can find a white that's carbon fiber. What do they call those? Usually I don't actually call it carbon fiber on the website. Let's try to find this faster. How do we do this? Let's find a white one. Let's find a white one. They got so much cool stuff, man. They got so much cool stuff. I just want to deck out my Xbox. Okay, white Xbox vinyl. White Xbox vinyl. Come on, baby. Why? White oh, I called it a skin. Hope you guys like just chilling with me and stuff like this, man. This is like, it seems like kind of a half-assed way to do a video. And honestly, it is easier at editing, but I like this personal stuff a little bit more. I think it's, this is at least what I like to watch on YouTube. I like just chilling. I like not even really having to watch what I'm like listening to. I like to just be on another browser, you know. You guys take your pick at what you think I'm searching on the side and just listening to something kind of dope. So, blah. Here we go, boys. I'm gonna buy something like this. I'll do some more searching. To find the colors. But right now, I'm gonna find white and red. And then hopefully when we get our channel back, or if we have to make a new one, it'll be here, maybe in this video. You know what? We'll just wait. It'll be in this video, and it'll be made, hopefully. Or I'll make it on video. Appreciate y'all for watching this portion of the video. This is Shopping with NameBran. What are we at? That's 9 minutes, which means that's kind of dope. Hopefully we'll have ad revenue. 15-minute video. If I talk a little bit more, sick. Catch you later with NameBran in real time or something like that. Whatever we're doing here. So there was that shopping video, boys. What's up, Panda? You just opened my door. Or was that a ghost? What the hell? Panda? Panda? Are you here? Panda! Oh, it was you. Jesus. Whew, my heart's beating. I'm convinced my house is haunted. Anyway, that was the shopping. You guys let me know what you thought about that. But without further ado, boys, let me tell you, I had a lot of time on my break to do what I do. I bought fast shipping with this. I made it, I think, like 3 or 4 days ago. For those who follow me on Instagram, you've seen it. We got the Supreme Xbox right here, boys. Honestly, I think the coolest creation we have ever had on the channel, besides that Stormtrooper Supreme helmet, so lit. I don't even want to play with this. Like, I'm at the point right now where my cash flow is, like, coming back again. I kind of want to just buy a regular Xbox, like, not even, like, just maybe a 1, not a 1X like this. Put this on my shelf and just play with a regular one. So what we did, boys, is, I can't remember what I said in that video, but I bought this white carbon fiber vinyl. And I kind of cut it up and I measured it, put it in the right places, and then I bought a red one. And then I got these stickers. If you guys just search on eBay for Supreme vinyl stickers, no background, it'll just give you these. So contrasting the white, the red, measured it up. Then I did the same to the front here, put Supreme on the front. That's how that turned out. Honestly, in my opinion, the dopest Xbox to ever been shown, or at least the most hypebeast. You guys let me know who that is. I want to tell y'all, man, we can literally customize anything. Like, y'all y'all know I made this Supreme table down here. I'm good with vinyl. As I said, I think in the video that I did car stuff and stuff like that. So I'm about to get like really creative with that stuff, because I feel like you don't have to buy fake Supreme, but you can make stuff that looks like Supreme, like that right there on my wall. It's not released by Supreme, that sticker, but it looks dope. It's gonna dope up your room. So that's kind of what I want to show you guys. I mean, like last week I had no budget. I had no like money, no cash income, so it was really important to me to go through that, to really be like, this is what a lot of you kids are going through, as you should. A lot of you guys don't have money. I don't know why a lot of channels pertain to buying Gucci for a lot of money, buying this, buying this. I know you guys like seeing it, however, I'm a 23-year-old, bro. I'm a little bit past that in terms of, like, I make good money off YouTube. I don't know if y'all know that. I make good money off YouTube, but I'm kind of past the whole, like, let's just buy a bunch of stuff, show it off to kids, and call it a day. I think I got a little bit more to show to the world, not knocking anyone, but that's just my style. That's my style. I think it's weird. I have the money to go do stuff. Maybe not a $10,000 Gucci shopping spree, but I got money to go do stuff. I just feel like I want to give you guys a little bit more important messages in terms of, bruh, you can just make stuff. And honestly, I'm getting on a rant right now, but honestly, this stuff that we show it all around, like this stuff, it doesn't matter. It's gonna look dope in a room. That's why I focused on my Supreme room. You guys focus on yourselves, focus on saving money, focus on making dope things like this. NameBran rant over. I can go so much more on ranting about how YouTube is nowadays, but I'm not going to. But yeah, that's Supreme Xbox. And if any of y'all do what I did, go to Wish, buy this stuff, and have any questions, hit me up on Instagram, or hit Cameraman Adam up on Instagram at Cameraman Adam, and he always tells me if you guys are trying to get to me, because it's hard to watch my messages like closely and stuff like that. So anyway, you guys let me know if you do this. If you do this, you have any questions, hit somebody up. I'll help you out with it. Now it's NameBran with another video, another pickup, probably the dopest pickup ever on the channel. We signing out for now, man. Man, the NameBran fam's so strong. It's good to be back. Y'all are murking the game, the greatest of all time. We about to get a lot more close. And I got a lot of points of view, and I got a lot of views on things, and a lot of, like, wisdom that I want to share with y'all. And I want it back. You know what I mean? Like, straight me up down below if I'm wrong on anything. But I want this relationship. I love talking to y'all, as y'all could see. Murking the game, greatest of all time. Wow.